Hello YouTube, Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So today, I am not happy. And you can see why I'm not happy. These are my Nissan Leaf cells that I had installed for a client. And they started to explode for no reason. So here they are, all damaged. About 21 of them are 21. It's 21. It can be 24.
Okay.
7 is 7. There are 7. It's 21. 28. Sorry, 28. So we have 28 individual Nissan Leaf modules, and every one of them is bad. As you can see, they're all swollen. The pouches are swollen. You can see some have leaked. And well, let me give you a little bit of history. We installed this about 3.5 years ago for a client, and it's been fine, no issues. About 2 weeks ago, they called and said the inverter no longer worked. Lightning had probably hit the building, the inverter and charge controller went off. So we disconnected the inverter, disconnected the charge controller, left the balancer on. And while we were trying to get a replacement inverter, on Sunday, today is Wednesday, on Monday, sorry, someone at the house called me and said the batteries were exploding. The first thing that crossed my mind is they've tried charging it outside of the BMS, exceeded the parameters, and that's what caused the battery to explode. But guess what? They were not charging the batteries, they were not doing anything, and yet the battery still exploded. So I have quite a few of these installed, and I've never had this experience before. You can see the pouches, and I do not know exactly what happened. So you can see the case is damaged on every one of them. This you can see the pouch completely exposed. So if you have an idea what happened, why this could have exploded while sitting, all the bus bars, of course, were connected. We had to remove them when we heard what was happening. If you have an idea exactly what happened, please let me know, because I am stumped. I have to replace these at my cost, because that's part of what we do. We offer the customer a warranty, and it's just at the 3-year line, so we have to replace it. So if you have an idea why these batteries started to swell and explode, I'll like to hear it, because it will help me salvage or save the others that I have currently running for customers. So when you do DIY for your own self, it's not bad, but once you start to get customers involved, then there are potential liabilities involved. And this is the reason why I stopped doing the Nissan Leaf or any of these EV batteries, because they were unpredictable and I didn't want to have to deal with something just like this. So you can see, let me turn it to the side. Look, it's just completely destroyed. So once again, this is Dr. Sola coming back. This is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. Well done, guys. You guys know how I end this. If you're not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. If you like what you've seen, give us a thumbs up.